Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to all my dear students. Welcome to AIMS Online Education Center. If you are watching my video and as well as like my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thank you so much. Now today we will start a lecture which is classification of research. In the previous lecture, I will tell you about what is research. Now I will proceed my research towards classification. It's classification. So let's start our lecture. What is classification of research? How do we classify? We classify research on basis on two. First one is search by purpose, uh, and the second one is research by method. These are the major classifying or types or kind of research, right? Either this is basically on I cannot develop them. It is developed by expert in research books after correcting, after summarizing the very important point I added here. So they do basically do search by purpose and search by method. If someone asks you and a paper question arise in such a way, what is classification of research? You do not need to elaborate subtypes. You just cite two types: research by purpose and research by method. This is enough. Then we know it's important to know about what is meant by research by purpose and research by method. So first of all, we will discuss research by purpose. As you know, as you see, the name shows that whole the scenario. Research by purpose, everything based on in this research is based on purpose. What you want, what you do, this is based on your purpose. This is clarify your purpose. uh, Either you got problem in your life, and either you are face seeing this sounding and facing the other people. So this is purposefully you do that type of research, right? So this research is directly to serve any purpose. If there is a purpose, then there is a research based on purpose, and it's under the shadow of research by purpose. There is some kind of research by purpose, not research. First heading research, then research by purpose, and if there is purpose, then there are four types of purpose which we describe by expert. First is basic research, then applied research, then action research, then evaluation research. So these four have major or solemnly confirmed vital function is purpose. This is based on your purpose, right? Or then if you we are talking about research by method, as I already told about the high the headlines consist the whole idea. Method, there's some specific kind of method in research. And if there is method, there is something planning, there is something to collect, then something to analyze, then something to interpret, then something to result. So these are the things go to a systematic procedure in the method, because method already a systematic term and already a scientific term. So as you can see, research by purpose on basically on journal type of research. When we talk about research by method, so this about scientific, right? There's scientific research in the field of science, either engineering, either biological sciences, chemistry, physics, whatever you want to study. But this is based on method. So method, which method? I already talk about in my research definition. What is research in the previous video, which I link below in the description. I already tell about scientific method, right? So there is a method. So which method they follow? Scientific method. So scientific method has also have some steps, right? So in the shadow of research by method, there are subtypes: historical research, experimental research, as well as descriptive research. So when we ask in the examination what a classification research, you just answer research by purpose and research by method. There is no other need to explain. And if a question is what is meant by research by purpose, so you should just simply write the research account directly to serve any purpose. Then you should write just simple answer directly to serve any purpose. And in the same scenario, when we ask about research by method, you said that particularly or directly to serve any method, plan, steps, activity. Those either you just write scientific method step, this is considered true. But when in the examiner ask about what are the types of research by purpose, students confused. Students think there are two types of research by purpose or research by method. They forgot that research by purpose has four other types, which is basic search, applied search, action search, and evaluation search. Right? And if in the same, likewise, we talk about research by method, so there are already three types, and there are some more types. But the major concern in our education system, these seven subtypes of these two are considered equally important, right? So in the next video, I will one by one explain about basic research, applied research, action research, evaluation research, historical research, experimental, as well as descriptive research. And my major aim in the channel basically making to show you those loophole in our education system for which we can research orally and there is no practice. So I are my aim of making this channel is to research by practically, because research is a subject by practical, no theoretical, right? So if you are like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. If you want any other topic which I discuss about research, go to comment section and write. I will most welcome your suggestion and I make them video. So stay connected, take care of yourself. Bye bye.